For many decades, bycatch has been a persistent problem and still has a large impact on the ocean today. Bycatch is when a non-target ocean animal is captured by accident and then discarded.
This is a problem that is found all around the world. It is killing huge amounts of animals. The Gulf of Mexico and the Atlantic Ocean are spots where you will find bycatch happening the most. Bycatch is causing one death every 2 minutes. It is the single largest cause of mortality for small cetaceans.
It is one of the largest threats to maintaining healthy fish populations and marine ecosystems around the world. Global bycatch may amount to 40% of the world's catch, totaling 63 billion pounds per year.
17 to 22% of the U.S. fish that are caught are discarded every year. There are more than 3,400 dusty sharks that were killed in 2010. Over 300 pilot whales were found dead. And almost 700 sea turtles were found tangled in fishing nets, all due to bycatch. Bycatch can change the availability of prey, which affects marine ecosystems and the productivity of fisheries. Bycatch can negatively affect species such as dolphins, sea turtles, fish, and whales by harming animals, contributing to population declines.
There are many different ways to minimize bycatch and protect the marine life that is being disrupted. Fishermen need to buy and use cleaner fishing gear to enforce limiting the amount of animals dying each year.
Long lines, trawling, and the use of gill nets are the fishing methods that most commonly result in bycatch. Certain hooks, commonly called J-hooks, cause problems for marine turtles, sharks, and billfish when swallowed, which usually cause them to die. Fishermen also need to be aware of what areas of water they're in and if there are any vulnerable species that live there.
During a 3-year period, more than 12,000 sharks and rays and 18,000 other vulnerable fish were caught by accident and considered bycatch. The nets fishermen use are hurting the animals the most. These animals aren't able to see the nets because they blend in perfectly with the ocean water and eventually have the nets wrapped around their bodies, which could potentially kill them.
With trawling, boats dragging large nets that can be several miles long and 100 feet deep dragging along the seabed, catching almost everything in their path. Bycatch is a problem that is created by fishermen and their unawareness of their actions, which are hurting the ocean.
This is a worldwide problem that affects our marine life greatly. Our oceans are something we depend on as humans, and it needs to be protected.